In this lesson, we will get acquainted with the concept of a chain stitch, a loop, a chain of chain stitches, as well as what a lift loop is. The beginning of crocheting, the starting row, is a chain made of chain stitches. To crochet chain stitches, it is necessary to secure the yarn on the hook. How this is done, we have already learned in previous lessons. For those interested, I will leave a link under the video. The yarn is secured. How to make chain stitches, the working. Yarn is placed over the index finger away from you. And with the thumb and middle finger, we hold our initial loop. Holding it like this, the yarn goes to the ball. Now with the hook, we catch the working yarn from the index finger and pull it through the loop on the hook. We have made the first chain stitch. Continue to hold. With our fingers on the loop we just made, we catch the working yarn from the index finger and pull it through the loop on the hook. Thus, we continue to make the required amount. Now we can see a braid here. This is the chain of chain stitches. Almost the beginning of any crocheting. What are lift stitches? They are the same chain stitches, but they are made at the beginning of the row. That is, if you are crocheting single crochet stitches, then at the beginning of the row, we will make one chain stitch. This will serve as the first single crochet. If you are crocheting double crochet stitches, then we make two chain stitches at the beginning of the row. They will serve as the first double crochet, but we will discuss the details in the upcoming lessons. So for now, we won't talk about this for long. I will also say that this loop on our hook will not be included in the total number of stitches. How do we count our chain stitches? We do not count this loop on the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Count the chain stitches. This is our first chain stitch. That's all for now. I think everything was clear here. If something is unclear, ask in the comments, subscribe, like the video, and see you, my dear ones, in other classes.